Hello?
Whoa! Question. All you good? Yes, sir. All you nice? Yes, sir. All you proper? Yes, sir. That is it. Whoa! Yes, sir. Mama, all you good? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All you nice? Yes, sir. Okay.
Today I'm going to show you guys 5 things that I do to get the most juiciest, bounciest, most springy, most perfect curls. I mean, look at the material. Okay, so I start off by drenching my hair with water, and this spray bottle that I'm using contains a little bit of glycerin mixed with. I make sure I detangle that section properly, and I use a Denman dupe to do so. Step number 3, you see those ends? You see how straggly they look? Yeah, I get rid of them. So snip, and make sure you're using a hair scissors and not any old scissors to cut your hair, sister girl. Alright, step number 4 is moisturizer, or in my case a leave-in conditioner. This one is by the brand Silicone Mix. This is the bamboo, from the bamboo line. Let me tell you, my hair and this conditioner go together real bad. Yeah, as soon as it touches my hair, the curls start to form, they start to come together, they start to clump. Yeah, and last but not least, a good up gel. The one that I'm using is the gummy hair gel, the red one. I really like this stuff. I've never experienced a gel with that type of texture and that kind of consistency before. Now, if you guys notice, I do not have to manipulate the curl or do any type of finger coils. I just put on the gel and I separate, and the curls are doing what it do. And that is all because of the 5 things that I just mentioned to you guys. Now, I also want to talk about something else here. Somebody asked me what type of products I use in my hair. I was quite shook because, guys, to be honest, I do not do anything with my hair. I literally don't take care of my hair. But I do have times in between where I say to myself, oh, I want to take better care of my hair. And when I'm in that phase, I use mostly products from African Pride. I use their leave-in. I think it's from the Moisture Miracle line. I also use their shampoo and conditioner, deep conditioner, from their Rosemary and Mint, I think it is, that line. Water and more water. I do not do anything to my hair without spritzing it with water. Yeah, water is my holy grail. And castor oil, not the kind that you buy in a shop, but the kind that is local. I don't know if you know what I mean, but in the Caribbean we have castor oil. We have castor seeds that are picked, and people like my mother make castor oil from scratch. So yeah, I also use grease like Blue Magic and those type of greases, but my hair loves grease, my scalp does not love grease. I don't know how to explain it, but I always get scabs and stuff when I use grease, so I limit the use of grease. And I think that's it. I don't, if I remember anything else that I use in my hair, I'll list it below, but for the most part, these are all the products that I use in my hair. Also, if you guys have any recommendations, let me know, because I am in that phase where I would like to take better care of my hair again. So yeah, any suggestions, let me know, because I would like to try different products, see what goes with my hair, see what goes with my curls. And yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, let's go more here.